my head off then.
Big moves, I'm that dude. Bet I see you from the top, yeah, real soon. Looking down on the haters that I've been through. Told them I'll see you.
Alright guys, we're back with another video. Today we'll be unboxing the DD Audio ZVL multi-amplifier sync module. It's a 2-channel in, 10-channel out. I think that's pretty much what it's saying right there. Y'all can see right there. 10-channel multi-amp sync module right there. Let me wipe this camera off. Let's get this thing low. I'm holding the camera, so let me get that out. Got the manual right here. Might want to read that manual. That's probably what I'll be doing. I'm gonna sit that to the side. Just a regular box. And flip it over. You can pause it right here if you want to read any of the specs right there. 9 to 16 volts, 2-channel input, 10-channel output, 0.2 to 8 volt RCA sensitivity. Yeah, I see it right there. All the other stuff, I ain't go through that, all of it, but I'm trying to beat the rain because it's finna start raining, so I'm trying to get this installed finished. So as y'all can see right there, y'all can pause this right here if y'all want to look at the specs right there. So I'm gonna go ahead and move this out the way. Okay. I'll use one hand, y'all. It's a small product. It's pretty small. Guess so you can fit it wherever. Now bear with me, hold on. Okay, right there. That's the module right there. It's real small, so as y'all can see, it's got the ground, battery, remote in, remote out right there. So I guess you control your amplifiers, you know, put the remote out. You got your input right there, output 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm pretty sure you could probably split this signal, but I'm not gonna do that. Of course, y'all see the input. Like I say, it just fit in your palm on your hand right there. So definitely it's a small item, so you know you don't need a lot of space. This right here, remote cable, it didn't come with a remote anything like that, because you can see on the side right there, you plug in a remote wire, a remote out. So this little cable right here, I've seen a few people online like they was complaining about this little adapter right here. It goes in the side. I guess they had to replace it or something, I don't know. I'm sure DD Audio can get you some extra ones if you had to get them. But as y'all can see right there, there's everything in the box. I'm going to use this to game match my amplifiers. Y'all see, I'm going to game match those, and that'll be it, guys. It's not a long video, just you know, a quick unboxing before the rain comes. So y'all, appreciate y'all for tuning in. Be sure to like, subscribe. I'm gonna see y'all back on the next one. I'll leave the links down below.
Right, equipment ain't gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.